In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Affinity Photo to your desktop. If you've ever found yourself digging through menus just to open Affinity Photo, creating a desktop shortcut will save you time and clicks. We'll use built-in Windows options, and the whole process only takes a minute. Start by opening Search in Windows. You can click the magnifying glass on your taskbar, tap the Windows key and start typing, or open the Start menu and use the search box there. The goal is simply to bring up Windows Search so we can quickly locate the app. Type Affinity into the search field. You should see Affinity Photo appear in the results, sometimes listed as Affinity Photo or Affinity Photo 2 depending on your version. Make sure you're selecting the main application, not a document or a help link. When you see Affinity Photo in the results, right-click it and choose Open File Location. This takes you straight to the app's shortcut within File Explorer. Opening the file location ensures you're working with the correct executable shortcut rather than a temporary search entry. In the File Explorer window that opens, find the Affinity Photo icon, right-click it, and select Create Shortcut. Windows will generate a new shortcut in the same folder, usually with Shortcut added to the name. If Windows informs you it can't create the shortcut here and offers to place it on the desktop instead, click Yes, and you're done. If the shortcut was created in the folder, simply move it to your desktop. You can drag and drop it onto an empty area of your desktop or drag it to the desktop entry in the File Explorer sidebar. Either way, you'll now have a clear, easy-to-find icon that launches Affinity Photo with a double click. That's all there is to it. By using Search, opening the file location, creating a shortcut, and placing it on your desktop, you've made Affinity Photo just a click away whenever creativity strikes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy faster access to your editing tools.